Managing cyber risks, compliance, and audits manually? It's time to move smarter with the power of SaaS. Introducing MCRS, MapleCloud Risk Suite, a SaaS-based GRC platform by MapleCloud Technologies, built to simplify governance, risk, and compliance for modern enterprises. Whether you're preparing for your next ISO certification or managing multiple audits, MCRS helps you stay ahead with proactive risk management and continuous compliance improvement. With MCRS, you can integrate ISO 27001, NIST, GDPR and SOC 2 frameworks, track risks and controls in real time, manage audits and generate instant reports, all in one secure cloud platform. Experience the future of cyber governance with MCT MCRS, your SaaS solution for risk and compliance. Book your free trial at MapleCloudTechnologies.com.